So Symflo, what are going there? How would they right now?
Yeah, you know, most people know it as Lawrence Tavern, you know, but you know, up as Ivy League Production HQ, you know, a place called People Fernie, you know, Unity CMA. Oh, the Ivy League Production recording studio. Watch it, Zinto Sus forward there.
Chap.
Right foot, skill and all the tiger foot. Where you say Fenzik, striker foot?
Alright, over there, sir. DJ Fenzik. 876Muzik.
You don't know, you know? That man. Music.
No boy test antidotes to life. That's a Symflo.
Alright, so we are going. Make we go by studio then.
You don't know this shit. 876 representing for 876Muzik. Right now we're there IveyLeagueProduction. You see me with Symflo, the new upcoming artist.
Blessed man.
Yes, I. Good for you up on the platform, you see me?
Thanks for having me.
Cool now, man. So, you're the ambassador for IveyLeagueProduction.
Well, you don't know Ivy League a family, you know.
Yes, sir. That's it. So, I want to start off the questions like, how you get the name Symflo?
Well, you know, that's a very good question, yeah. Symflo now forward from, you know, as a youth made the music, I start out with what? Simple start. Don't now try give me name, give myself a certain name if you end up in a controversy, but at the same time, while doing the music, you know, pouring with Vada them same way, people start say, oh, Sim, instead of Simple Star, and we use the Symflo as a slang one at a time.
Yeah.
And Vada hear it, and you don't know, the G say, oh, you know, I think Symflo is a more prolific name. You have to work with Symflo, more catchy and, you know, futuristic.
Yes.
Yeah, why not? And most of the fans them and the people on the street, they mostly say Sim or Symflo or Flow or so I say, alright then,
work with that.
The street, I say,
Cool now, man. Alright. So here we are going as a brother where I come from far. You see me? As I say, you know, why you do music from school days, but not only school, you do music and like some karaoke, Christmas events and them things there.
Yeah.
So you're well rounded.
Yeah. From a time.
Cool now, man.
From a place called Gallinsville Road, where you know, every year, every community have them Christmas street. You know, they have the little young youths when normally sing or DJ for a prize. So I used to always try to participate in the DJ contest because me not really dance, so I don't like dance. So you don't know when you go up on the stage where I sing songs like Roses find a new stem, brand new dance we have.
Cool no man.
And some, you know, some.
So they want dance, but yeah, all the vibe. Yeah.
So
cool no man.
The confidence I build from this, so you know, me know stage fright and certain things. So from this, I'm really to say, yo, you know, I have a thing for music and you know, you just go forward from this.
That's a growth. So here we are going as the growth happen and things are progress. You move from Manimsville and go UK and get a different meditation, different vibes.
Yeah.
Well, you still a trad with your yard vibes, but
me not like that.
But really and truly, the influence come together for influence your music.
Yeah, it help in a sense along the way. It carved me into who me is right now. I go to UK as a teenager, forward back in my later teens. But at the same time, the experience teach me a lot. But you can't get the Jamaica vibes in England. And when I discover some really want to do the music now, I say, you know, it's better for me be in Jamaica where everything happen, where the natural vibes there
because
the culture, you know. So with UK and Jamaica now, I say, alright then. Get some experience at England, bring it back to Jamaica and, you know, be more of a man. The experience at England helped me to be more of a man, more mature, grip on things differently, you know. So, yeah, more faster pace, you know, more wider horizon. So, but, you know, each side help. Both Jamaica and
yeah, for real. But looking in, like, all the topics them are where you sing about, you see me? The topics them upliftment to the youths them, you see me? And not only the music, things we talk about, you see me, I say, yo, the poverty and them things there, you want the people them to uplift their mind and cut out them things there, you see me, mentally. But within your music now, it's like you tell somebody else's story through your music.
Yeah, because we live it and we see it.
I like that, you see me?
I
like that, you see me, because it brings that positive energy where and just right as it propel to the future. If you say yo, in our future, our youth them can look one way and say yo, father that go on good in our music, you see me?
Yeah, basically because you set a platform.
Only for we own our youths them, like the community youths them too, you see me?
Yes.
Youths them around the community and know say yeah, rotted artist this, but him listen to your song and him say them song are bad, you know?
Yeah,
You see me? Them song are nice, them have some vibe and them a tell you some things, you see me? Some good things, you see me? Right now, me I go jar you a little bit, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, but then like jar out something.
Alright. And a shoes list, you see me? But, Jano, you can I give you one acapella that one there?
Yeah.
Yes, I.
I'ma tell you about some things in a life when we try make it right and it's still not fixed right, yo. My mother can't find the piece to the rice, yo. Enough sleepless night, JPS cut the light, yo. I'ma tell you about some youths who had the time, yo. I miss more than a million miles, I'ma still a walk. Firm and strong greatness in my talk. Get a youth still a fight, I'ma still a axe. Them energy now hit it full of shots. You know, sounds like them there, you know. Inspiration songs,
yeah,
like
man,
people go through the roughness and we can see it and just sing about it. So them kind of songs that I carry for according to what I said earlier, and so you see the so
right?
You are going to read. So if you plant good, you are going to read.
Alright, so that's why I say I don't know Joe like shoeless business. But here JAWCAWNA, your mother play a deep role to the upliftment in your development as well as your father. But you say, your mother say, if a music you like, do it.
Yeah, she always tell me that, you know.
Yeah.
I'm glad I said that because my mom is a February lady, you know. February.
Oh no, man.
It's hard working and, you know, self-centered.
Big up them women, yo. Straight.
So, I grew up with a single parent home. You know, they have a stepfather, same. The whole man did there in England.
Straight.
But at the same time, my mother always try to show me, so yo, anything where you want, do it. Once you love it, do it. But at the same time, if that not work, still have something to go and do. Like you can still make yourself a man, get a skill, try something else where you can go and make a money off to better yourself while you do what you do. She wasn't a person to say, yo, just put your head in a basket there. But also she always say, you know, one step at a time, one cocoa full basket. Because no matter where you go through, you know, people out there go through worse, but them still try to push on. So if you love that, do that. And I tell her some I love music and she said, alright then do the music, because at one point she used to even complain and me squeeze out the house and go up on the road with Movado and you know all of them little things them more. She used to say, why you have to do them something and you go to school and you know say this and that and you can get in a trouble. And I said, mommy, I don't know but from the artist I got show, me have to do that whether in a car back or something and these little things it just help develop me and bring me closer to the music as I say. So I'm grateful for them things and them teaching them from my mother as well as you know. It's strict sometimes but
you don't know. At the growth. So you have other songs out there, couple other songs and couple other collaboration. Here I mentioned an artist.
Yeah, we have a collab right now with actually four of us. It's like Zintos.
Straight.
You have Graphics, you have One Active. Yeah, so that's Zintos, Graphics, One Active, Symflo, and the name of the song is Diligently, produced by IveyLeagueProduction. So you can check out that it's out on YouTube and you know all of the music platforms.
Straight.
Million Miles by myself, produced by IveyLeague as well. You know what I mean? So there's a lot of different songs, you know, a lot of different producers. But we're mainly working with IveyLeague right now. We're working with musical antidotes as well. You know, we have a nice girl song out, Esophagus, produced by the musical antidotes. We have How We Living, produced by musical antidotes. You know, How We Living. But the recent songs is like Diligently with me and the other artists and Million Miles. Yeah, that's the latest song. And the production. Of the production right now.
Straight. So, alright. In the mids, may I pre say yo, a whole heap of things you do, business wise. Otherwise, it's like I say yo, for step out little bit out of music and go in acting. Yeah, do a little bit of that. You see me?
Yeah,
Yes,
cause really and truly I love that as well, because when we do a song and I put a music video together, most of the time, if the director don't have a script, most of the time, more reason with him, I always have an idea, because I think about the song, what I say in the song, and try to say, we're not going to put everything on me detail in the song, but I want to try to bring out the most realness, so you can listen to the song, watch the video and see the same thing. Hear and see what I say. Instead of listen to the song and watch the video and you be like, oh, all of this makes sense. You know what I mean? More the video for correspond with the song. So concept is good. I always have a script and I always have a thing there for acting. So I always come up with a script where I can actually act out. I would say, yo, my G, I want you to do that, you know. And if the director would say Symflo, I want you to do that. Normally I always do it in like 1 hour few go. That's the that say, yo, you have a thing. You know, if me even just stand up and you just turn a camera up on me, it's like a movie.
You're ready. Cool no man.
That's one of them things still, but it's a venture I want to take. It's another step I want to take in my career after, establishing myself as an artist and touring the world and things. I want to go into the movie.
Cool man.
Hollywood,
So tell me some inspirational words for the youths then before we go. And big up some people, you see me, from you don't know all over, I don't know.
Yeah, well, more
time enough people still in, but you don't know.
Yeah.
Man.
First and foremost, big up God. Big up Father God, Big up my family.
Straight.
Yeah. Want to big up IveyLeagueProduction. Want to big up musical antidotes. Want to big up advanced music. Bigger one music, more step of production, clippings production, Repower music. Yeah. Whole heap of other producers that I really don't want to left out the name. Big up the fans them.
That is it.
Real people them. I want to make my big who is today. So I want to say big up, look out for the future work them want to forward out. Look out for the production same.
Oh yes.
So this now, I want to say the youths them, anything where you love, just do it. Believe in yourself. You're going to have rough times, you're going to have good times. But in all of them times, take the best from it. If you have the rough time, take the positive from it, No matter if it might rough, you might buck your foot there, but it might teach you something down the line. So, it's rough for everybody sometimes, but you have to just find a way. And once you love it, it becomes easy.
And it's manifest.
But if you don't love it, it will come with a lot of agitations. But once it's something where you love, do it. And show love to the elders, show love to the younger ones when are forward. And don't be self-centered,
Straight.
Each one help one. Just try to do good and stay positive, stay focused. And believe in our God. God are the greatest. Yeah, that is it.
Yes, sir. You have a song named Help Out.
Help out the youths from the corner.
Yo, manners.
Yeah,
Become like say.
Watch that. Big up Clippings Production, yeah. Produced that one.
Yeah.
As I say, I have a lot of different producers I work with.
Straight.
They don't know how the thing go at times. So I want to say big up Clippings Production. Nice song. Help out the youths from the corner. Stop pushing the youths in the corner. When you get to youths, want to see trauma. Reaction not take long, member karma. 876 man want to see betterment. Own some place or residence. Live like Bill Gates and the president. Look how much time them try prison man and can't show the evidence. It no make no sense. Now kill off for one another. Yeah man, check it out on YouTube, all musical platforms, all them, you name it. Get familiar with it. Help out. Symflo. Produced by Clippings.
That's the 876 special.
That is it.
Here we are going on. I have another question. Tell me about the EP,
Well, actually, so we're currently working on the EP.
Right.
We're not finalized. We hasn't yet finalized a name for it, but soon as we go along, we'll come up with a name. We want to find a nice, intriguing name for the EP. It's my first official EP. We want to make it like 7 tracks. You have to feature a few tracks from produced by IveyLeague. We want to feature a producer like Bigger One Music. More
mix up a little bit, but
so
still have that same
that same
topic.
I'm still open for work with established producers out there, as you say, we're there, we're the music professionally. So if a bad producer see this, have a bad rhythm before I actually finalize and want to reach out, you can reach out as well, because I say we currently put it together, you know.
Yeah, man. Symflo music, that's, you know.
Yeah, man. So you can look out for the EP, man. That is it.
So the song the way that I want us just now.
Meet Again.
Meet Again. Give me a preview or tell us some more about Meet Again, because sound like Meet Again I got big on the EP.
Well, actually, I want to make it be on the EP because it's a song where it's a forever song, because every day we lose a family and it's a missing you song. And actually, the song is an interesting song in 876.
Yeah.
Alright, may I give you a little story?
Alright,
may I give you a little story? One day, I'm there on the farm and my phone ring. You know, my hands dirty and me I get some things done, get the farm clean up and jump together. Phone ring anyway, I'm going to take the call. Realize that IveyLeague showed me. So I say, IveyLeague, what go on? And the G I say, yo, Flo, you know, say, I'm looking at the job out with you, you know, and I say, yeah, what go on? And G I say, you know, we want to put a song together for him. I'm missing you a song. Yeah, and IveyLeague never, rest in peace, Shem. You know, memories live on. Shem a youth, we know, but we never actually part together, because a younger youth from a different.
Cool man.
Yeah, but we know the G, and as I say, IveyLeague are one family. You know how the ill state. You know, for blood related, you know, we live like family, so we're connected. And the G is the Symflo, we need a missing you song, you know. I'm going to put it together in a certain way. I'm going to say, he's my G, man. I'm a work, man. I'm going to say, we're born for this, you know. So, anything what you say. I'm saying, alright, you have the rhythm? I'm saying, alright, I have the rhythm already, you know. And more you do it in a certain kind of way and put a certain kind of vibe there to it. I mean, as IveyLeague, the school, I'm going to deal it the right way. So anyway, in the call, I'm going to say to my baby mother, say, yo, you know, IveyLeague that just called and say, I want a song for your nephew. I'm missing you song. And knowing that I not actually did par with Shem for have that kind of band there, you don't know if we go put a missing you song together now, I look in people and I say, Chano, I have to go in on my feelings and emotions and you know.
Cool man,
anyway,
I have to bring out this song.
Anyway, I'm saying, alright, IveyLeague, send me the rhythm. Send me the rhythm shortly after, further on down in the day when I finish doing I do all that fresh, listen to the rhythm, getting on my zone. I start, you know, how I do my thing, start mumble. Start, you know, most artists, they start mumble, till it start come out more clear. I say, alright, start singing for a few of my friends, and I catch a hook. And I say, gone to a better place, Vex right now, me can't see my brother face. Shema where you gone, you not even tell we goodbye where you gone. I feel away, it could have be anyone. Love when daddy mix play this sound of the land. Barry stand up and a create lucky place. And I say, yeah, I hit this, you know, call back IveyLeague and say, IveyLeague, find the song, you know. Gee, so I'm here piece right now, so I make a friend play, catch the recording and I play the rhythm on my phone and make a little snippet out and G hear it and I love it.
True.
So after I G hear it now and I say, yes, Symflo, I like the sketching the way I do so far. All my work, when I build a song, I start the chorus, build the first verse, I mean I must have to finish it right away. Once I go in the studio, when I start record out what I have already, the energy when I build this, you know, the second verse just come natural. So I say, here IveyLeague. Well, I link Advance. Advance, I'm an engineer from over the years, and you look at thing and the producer when I record for him normally take the voice. Most of the time I make him mix it because him kinda understand my vocal range and what expect. You know, every artist can, most artists can relate because some people record artists and then bring in one engineer because the chemistry whatever.
Right.
So anyway, we link Advance, say, yeah, this is a hit song in the youth. We arrange, link up at Deva studio, the one from Avondale at the time. Advance was there and we did a couple of more area, then we get some liquor and something, you know.
And keep the vibes, yeah.
And from this, it's just history, you know. When we do the song now, Shem actually, the song finished the same night when Shem, like the 9 day. So when we come up with the song from the studio now and we play it for the family, everybody was like, you know, whoa, like, you know, don't know them in a grieving moment, but the song, you can see where the song bring back a little energy. Yeah. You know, so when me say gone to a better place and some little thing, and the money and the fame.
Yeah.
You see me?
It uplift them.
Every time I lose a family, I feel the pain, dark clothes, John, I cannot feel the rain. bad mind can't get my energy for Jane from Shem drop out, we don't feel the same, isn't it? They were up to me know, and things like that. So when the family hear them things, it's like, me I console them, me I show them, say, yo, the G drop out, but you know, better days they're the same way, and the G would have want to stay strong. So that song there is special to me, in a sense, to owe everything farm out, because it happened in a time when me I go through a phase. You know, when me say a phase mean, you know, a rough patch. And then Ivy League link me, because me never really did that in a much recording at the time with the kind of pause and a focus family.
Okay,
so when
right.
that forward back now, it get me right back in my stride.
Cool,
and then
man.
Ivy League goes so now and build up film studio. I mean, I tell you, 876. Right now, I get all emotional, but the rest of history, isn't it?
Cool, no man. We are keep strong and we are keep build. You see me? As me I talk to him not too long. When I say, yo, how far where I come from, you know, man, I say, yo, look on the man in the video, the man dreads them short star, I say, yo, Chargy, I journey, how far where I come from, and we there see him way up on top of ground, and can share with the people them. You see me?
Yeah, man, and bring across the message.
And bring across the message. You see me?
It's a pleasure, man.
A man has a respect. You don't know when I say so.
Big up yourself,
cool now, man. Cool now, man.
876 Music, the people them choose it, don't refuse it, we can't lose it. We want 876 Music. Symflo representing more than a million miles.
So Symflo, who a couple of the artists there were inspire your music?
Well, I'm inspired by the likes of, you know, say, Bounty Killer, you know, the great Bob Marley, same way when he touched the reggae side, you know, reality. You have Mavado, you know, you have Sizzla Kalonji, and you know, Turbulence, the Future. A lot of different artists that they see him, you know, Iwayne, you know, Buju Banton, you know, the list goes on. Because they put out a lot of great work, and there's a lot of great artists out there. And once you know, you respect great work, more likely, you go start with the great work too. So what you know, one of the legendary dancehall artists, me realize you have a song with him. You see me? Yeah, Clean Sir.
Clean Sir.
Yeah, my body.
So, and during the interview, me ask a couple questions and things. Me hear you mention him name a couple times.
Yeah, man.
Right? Say from Cassava piece and you don't know anything.
Big up, body, same.
Straight.
Body side, same.
Yes. So, you want to tell me a little bit about the Clean Sir collaboration there?
Well, it's a special song, you know, because you don't know if you do a song with a legend like Mavado. It's a great feeling, a great vibe, you see it, and everything just happened suddenly, you never plan. You don't know the role with the G, power of the artists, you know, here and there studios, in the streets, don't know. So that's the recording studio one of the night, and Vado was actually there to do a song for Biggie Music. That's Biggie from Raza and Biggie.
Okay, right, yeah.
Yeah, big up Biggie Music, same way, yeah. So Biggie did in a production at the time, which him still doing thing. And him have a rhythm, but then when Vado went to the studio to actually do a song and he's with him. So while Vado was like preparing his song, putting together his song, at one point he said to me, Symflo, sing something at me here on your song and this rhythm. And you know me, I said, go inside sick and me beat some clean, so that's why me do me thing clean, so girl them know what we mean, now we tap in on this game. And David I say, yo, song the body no bro. Yeah, I mean I say like, you know, look nervous, and even though I'm par with the artist daily and used to him as a bigger virgin.
Cool man.
It was like a different kind of feeling, because I don't know, I'm over that in a studio and you know, world star a certain way, global icon, and I say, alright, me and Father gonna do a song now. So I say, yeah, but I want to do this, and I say, alright, me I gonna do that up there. And you're 15, we are 15, I'm a 15, and me are 15. So it was a case like Father sing the hook, I don't know the golden voice so him have, more likely, but definitely want him to sing the hook, so him sing the clean so and put few other flow to it same way. And it was just a blessing in disguise, you see me? It was just a great moment. It was, you know, I couldn't even harness everything at the time because everything did happen so fast. It was like, whoa, I dream this, I pray for it, I got to, you know, many nights I pray and say, oh God, my father virgin, I would love to do a song with him on the day, but I don't know when the time is right. And I see just happen without planning, because it wasn't a case where father say, yo, Symflo, me have got a studio where I do a song. it wasn't a case like that. It was just, you know, in the street and pull up a studio with the general and the rest of history, you know.
Right. Cool now, man.
Mm-hmm.
So, talking about the whole music and you being a dancehall artist, tell me a couple of other genre music where you like. I don't know what other music you listen to.
Yeah, well, I listen basically from the music resonate with me soulfully.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I listen to it, you know, and sometimes you just hear a song and it new to you and you just catch it where you just start listening to it. It might be from a different genre which you're not familiar with, but it resonates with you. But on a regular day, I listen to a little R&B when I want a chill vibe.
Mm-hmm.
Don't know, growing up, I listen to the likes of Tupac, Biggie, them,
Yeah.
you know. And my rap artist still where the kind of listen to that was like Lil Wayne.
Okay.
You know, the whole Cash Money movements at the time.
Cash Money buds.
Yeah, Lil Wayne was dope, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And you have Drake in the latter part, same way.
Right, that come up.
Yeah, Drake actually stepped out when it was the same time when I was in the UK.
Right.
You know, Drake dropped a mixtape and, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and from there, I just get more attached to the R&B and rap music from Drake them days, Lil Wayne as I say.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I used to listen to Tupacs, but I don't know, it was a different era from when me I grew
Right,
up. But,
because nowadays we have the Afro beats them and all them other
but Afrobeats as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
As I say, Afrobeats is a genre. When
Different.
I listen to Afrobeats, it make me move, it make me want to dance, it give me a happy vibe. So
Straight.
Afrobeats as well is a genre where Symflo, like Afrobeats, Burna Boy, the Stone Boy, them same way, David or them same way, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, a lot of great artists forward from that genre. So yeah, I listen to that genre a lot too as well. But you know, R&B, little rap with me Afro.
Mix so much. Music.
Yeah, but other than that, I'm stuck in my dancehall and reggae still, you know.
Which is right. And the culture.
As, you don't know, dancehall music, I grew up on that. Because I consider like some of the boss as a big as a mentor.
Right.
From the same place we
come from.
You're right. Him take it to the top, all the way to the top, you know. So it really inspired. That was like a drive for me musically. Seeing Varda do it, I just have my little pen and paper in my head and I take my little notes here and there.
Right.
Alright, when I deal with my thing, same like Varda do it or whatever. So dancehall music, I grew up on that. As Mr. Sizzla Kalonji, the reggae part, see me, we used to listen to a lot of Sizzla Kalonji, you know, Black Woman and Child, them sang it.
Yeah, well on.
The Real Thing album. Yeah, we
as they talk about a couple of them artists there from the 90s. When you was much younger, you come and say you usually go on a studio like when I'm there.
That's Exodus
Studio.
Yeah, Exodus, yeah.
So as I realize now, say you have a wide vast of music mentors around you in a sense, you know, or you put yourself around them, you can learn.
Yeah, because coming from school, when at the time when I was living off Gallin, Manizzi Road, as most people would know, but you know, it's a Gallin's there, same way. You had Exodus Studio right across from the Shell gas station and a plaza, where you know most of the established artists, the veterans, used to do the dub plate work. You know, you have Exodus, you have Kilimanjaro Studio at the top of Whitehall Avenue. So I was surrounded by the music from an early age, where you know, I see a lot of mentors. I get a lot of inspiration by just going to the studio, seeing Ninja Man them, seeing Mad Cabra them, seeing the Demas family, Nitty Kochi, you know what I mean?
Right,
the Ghost, the Roundhead, the Bounty Killer, the Beanie Man. As a youth growing up in Uptown, if who know can relate. We used to see all of these artists on a regular basis, because if you want to see them on an even, you might not see all of them on one day, but you don't know the thing. You go today, you see Ninja Man, you see Ghost. Tomorrow you might see Beanie, you might see Zebra. So it was just up close and personal. And at that studio, when the artists came, certain artists, you couldn't stay in the studio. You don't know when you go in the studio, you don't know studio room. A lot of persons in the studio. So when the artists then pull up certain artists like Ninja Man, you don't know. You know, yo, Free Up the Studio, Bounty Killer, you know, Killer Cross,
Yeah.
Where you do music?
Yeah,
Where
come
you
out
do
of the studio.
Yes, Juvenile.
And in a sense, me not lie in a sense though. Some part of that me used to like. You know why?
Yeah.
When me end up going in one studio and I learn from the veteran them myself, them tell me say, yo, and a certain artist will let you. Because they will waste them time and I waste our time and they must sing foolishness.
Yeah, well, the good suffer for the bad sometimes in a music sense. The studio is concerned because you might go to a studio as a good artist, which you might not be known by the persons who are running the studio, but earlier on some other persons came to like pretend to be an artist or whatever, but they wasn't that good and it might show off the energy, and shortly after you pull up and then you might get the same energy, bad energy in a sense. That means say you shouldn't go back, because you might go back the next day, you might see a different personnel from the production and that personnel might let you in the studio, and that's how you might get your breakthrough. Right. So as me say, you have to just be persistent, be resilient, you know, and just know say no matter what, man, studio is not a place for lighter. Studio is not a place where you go and it's not a noisy ground. It can be at times when you don't know outside all in a vibe, but once it's the production part inside the studio, like where we are now, then it gets serious. And artists work in a space where they're comfortable. So if they go in the studio and they see 4 persons and they analyze and realize, oh, I'm comfortable with those persons, more likely they would continue with their session.
Their creativity.
If in a sense they're not so comfortable, they would ask to maybe free up the studio. So some person will look at it and say it's an insult, but it's not. What you do is how you do.
Oh, you do it.
You can say to a person,
real talk.
Yo, what are the nice studio? When I this and that, when I hold it on the outside, it might some persons might look at it as a disrespect. But if you go in and say, I'm with no disrespect, you know, I'm never start a session and would I like for some of the persons them kind of stay on the outside until we finish doing that.
Right.
Respect. That come across more better, you know.
True.
So right. Studio is not a place for waste time. So if a person go to a studio and you have a direct reason for go there, and you have, you know.
But back in the day, yeah man, strict rules, you see me? But nowadays everybody have them little studios, so it's not like say, you know.
As I say in 876, we did have the privilege for going at any session because it becomes known by the artists that come to Exodus at the times. You keep on seeing these young youths, so you know we became the familiar faces.
Okay, right.
And you don't know when the artists then finish record, you used to have this van, tuck shop van, sell ital food, and anywhere the artists link up, you used to have certain kind of vending like that. So, you know, we used to, as a garrison youth, we used to look forward to that because, you know, when we go out with a Bounty Killer, we know, say, alright, we're going to get some food today, we're going to get a little change in our pocket. When we see certain other artists, it's a case where we just observe and see if something will go on. But once we see Mr. Rodney Price, poor people, governor. Yeah, man, killer big yourself.
Straight.
Symflo, I want to youth them way benefit greatly from your hands. You see it.
Really?
I talk it every day, but only for youth can attest to that, you know. Exodus Nuclear Studio, big up Father Romy, big up Gary. Rest in peace, Jerry Same, you don't know. We are forward from that time, man. When we say these things, most of the veteran artists, them, when them see an interview, when them see this interview, them can say yes, whether you there say are the right thing, because everything end up go down a downhill at one point when Jerry lost his life at the same Exodus studio. You know what I mean? And he was over a dub plate, like, you know, a person's claiming that he was refusing to record a dub because Jerry was the engineer at the time. And, you know, I think shot fire and Jerry get shot or something like that, and he died. And it was a sad moment, you know, it was a sad moment for all of us, young youths and even the entertainers at the time.
Right.
And then Exodus moved from there to off Reddy's Road. And, you know, it wasn't as strong as it was when it was at off Galen's Road. So that was a special part of my life, you know, when Exodus was around at the time, and you know, affiliating with those kind of artists and coming from school, we used to look forward to that. It was just a joy. So it's like to see Bounty down outside the road right now, or Beanie Man or any one of them, it would be like strange to me. It would just be like normal to just know, yeah, Moses that, Rodney that.
Right.
You know? We are see them from where you
know,
so it was just
I know.
I'm sorry, artists like that. When you see an artist, even it's your idol or whatever you want to classify them as.
True.
A calm approach, a respectable approach, you go far with any artist. But once you start excited a certain way, and they will be a bit cautious about you. So any artist you buck up into, where you say you're an artist, and you know, with respect and calmness, take your far, man. Because I learned that with even being around Vada.
Right.
Yeah, because you know, Vada love him fans them.
Because basically what more to add to it is that you are them fans from you're younger, but you in this industry with them. So no. you are not with only
it's like I'm competing, but it's not competing, but you know.
Your co-workers.
Yeah, my co-workers now.
And your family.
Yeah, at the same
your musical family.
Yes,
Dancehall will not represent.
And it feels good, you know.
Yes. I feel it, the energy there. I feel the energy there, man. I feel the energy there, man. Yes,
definitely.
And a couple of the other people them in the camps them, you know.
Yeah, cause to see when I look on iTunes or Spotify and see my streams and to see other artists on it as well, it just shows that, you know. And sometimes you might see your streams go up more than certain veteran artists because, you know, it's just the era of music, you know.
Right.
More young youths might be going with the younger ones now and so forth. But it's ups and downs. But it's a great feeling to see your name on a chart with the likes of, as I say, my mentor, them, Mavado, Vibes Cartel, Bounty Killer, them, same way. It just shows that, yeah, you can be what you want to be, you know.
And grow.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man, musically. So Symflo, what would I do otherwise from music if you wasn't doing music?
Well, at first, you know, I see myself as being a professional footballer because I really did love football a lot.
Yeah, cool,
I didn't
man.
want to be a professional footballer, but seeing the systems in Jamaica, it kind of, at the time, in my times growing up, it wasn't, you know. So trade was coming into play. Going into high school, we started thinking about getting a trade as well.
Right.
I love carpentry.
Yes.
Yeah, because my stepdad did furniture, building and certain things, and my uncle as well.
Yes, it's somebody that could trade this.
Yeah, so being around all of that, seeing the machines working, cutting the board, you know, and I used to make my little bird cooks, my little dog cages, so that's where the love for carpentry come about.
Yeah.
So I always say, maybe if it wasn't for that, I would see myself, you know, being a professional carpenter. Yeah, or a general builder, as I say. Never so much that they see myself doing the furniture, but I know I love using the hammer, cutting the boards. And stuff forward. Because I used to cut up some boards sometimes to make even a bird pen when my uncle used to come and my stepdad sometimes. Because sometimes I would stay over my uncle when you know, weekends you go over to your relatives.
Right, sure.
My uncle used to have this furniture shop. My stepdad never had a furniture shop, but he had his tools.
Yeah.
He used to go to a furniture shop where he do his work. But my uncle used to work at his house. Like, you know, in the yard you have another space where you
Right.
I used to cut up some boards sometimes because if my eye catch that board and I say I want to take the makeup pen when uncle come later, you know, you wouldn't go on extra about it, but you would cuss and you would say you're not supposed to do that because that board was Mrs. such and such board and it was for to build a cupboard for her and this and that. And, you know, as the time goes on, we learn, and so we start look for the more older boards. So I see that I love carpentry from that time. So if it wasn't for music, Symflo would have been happy.
Yeah.
Really, you know?
Cool man, I man. But you know, Symflo artist, you see me?
Yes.
And I inspire.
Music steal my heart.
Yes, I. So yeah, that's what I beat right now, you see me, unless you don't want to give you a piece of the milestone. You know?
Yeah, so we're there with 876Muzik. I'm say 876Muzik are the people them choose it. You know, when I refuse it, I would say 876Muzik. People and music, them choose it. One Symflo in the house. IveyLeagueProduction studio is where we're at. I'm some more than a million mile, when me still a walk. Firm and strong greatness in my thought. Why get a youth still a fight and me still a ask? Them energy in a right head full of shots, more than a million mile. Still a kill them with Caribbean style. 876 so we wicked and wild, Kyle tick like those so we flick it on. And you know see me start own my business. Chop, now have time for watch people business. Making millions come a even business. Never drop the guard, we not leave the zigzag. Like a Rona, so them wicked boy, yeah. Down in a me place, we not timid round, yeah. Tapping at them mid-20s full of soldier. Can't stop the youths with them island powder. Ivy League run, yes sir. Yeah, me say them on one Symflo, me represent for 876Muzik, or the people in music, or them choose it. One Symflo represent.
Man, as I respect the Symflo.
Yeah, man, it's a pleasure having you.
Man, bless you.
Yeah, you know, most people know it as Lawrence Tavern, you know, but you know, up as IveyLeagueProduction HQ, you know, a place called People, Fernie, you know, Unity Series. Oh, the IveyLeagueProduction recording studio. Watch it, please. Zintos was forward there.
Striker foot, skill and all the tiger foot. When you say Fenzik, striker foot.
Alright, that's over there, sir. EJ Fenzik. 876Muzik.
You don't know, you know?
That man. Music.
No boy test antidotes to life. That's a Symflo.
Alright, so we're going to go up by studio then. Fenzik. Let's go on. I'm alone there, so I'm not my friend, I'm not call him, man. So I'm going to be a real girl, man.
Instagram business.
876Muzik.
Yo.
Oh.
Don't know, 876, you know the thing going on. Anytime we just link up 876. Let's start.
Over there, you know. I interview in a place. 876Muzik. You know what thing go? You see me I say? Dave Star and place is people you see me? IveyLeague. So what you say? Yeah, what you say? Yeah, right now. Paperwork. Now forward. We go to some forward. I'm open that up.
You know, it's exclusive when I get today, you see me? Yeah, man. Symflo on 876Muzik platform. Yes, sir. Alright.
876Muzik. You know, IveyLeagueProduction. Active.
Fully.
Son of Cox though.
Make sure. Zintos gear ads already?
Yeah.
You have one film already?
Party now, we with all bounty killer 876Muzik.
876Muzik.
Data code 876Muzik.
Advanced music.
People them choose it.
And the people them chose it. Because them want to listen what? Good music.
Okay. One Symflo in the house.